Good morning, baby. Good morning, Queen Sandy. Up here feeding the birds some wheat bread, you heard me. My husband and I have been doing this with our kids for years, feeding the birds and the ducks, you heard me. Happy holidays from Life of Queen Sandy and family, baby. God is awesome. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Life of Queen Sandy and family, baby. And to those that haven't liked, commented, and shared, and subscribed to the channel, what y'all waiting on? Approval, baby? Stop playing. Can't do it like the Queen and know you heard me. Peace out. God is great, baby.